X-Cube i9 Manual Guide. Scanning mode, M mode. To activate M mode, press the M key. Use the trackball to move the M line into position. Use the gain knob, located at the 2D button, to increase or decrease gain. Soft menu selections. Sweep speed, selectable from 0 to 10. Display format is vertical or horizontal, with selectable ratios of 1:1, 1:2, or 2:1. And other soft menus. Gray map, colorizing, DR, reject. Full M. Full motion mode. And anatomic M mode are available in the left monitor area for advanced technologies. When activating anatomic M mode, use the select knob to activate. Note the change in the M line to a yellow solid line. Use the angle knob to steer the yellow M line through the desired cardiac axis as the M line is running.